Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 7th of April 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, you can see yesterday the market trading from 17,650 all the way up to the 17,940 level, nearly 300 points during yesterday's session. And this is not uncommon when the whole of Europe is closed and the US is left to its own devices. You can see there straight up. You get one or two things when you get a bank holiday, as I've mentioned on numerous occasions before. The market will either be extremely quiet or it will go in one direction and just keep going, and yesterday was a prime example of that. So straight from the off yesterday, you can see the market there just trading all the way up, and then later on in the session at 5 to 4 you see another potential buy signal there as the market closes above the 17,850 level. This clear triangle here has appeared because I've reloaded the chart. It wasn't there in real time yesterday, and the reason for this is quite simple. The price bar following the signal, in historical terms, the market doesn't know whether, or rather the charting software doesn't know whether the entry price was hit first or the stop loss. But what's interesting is that yesterday that wasn't on my chart when the market opened anyway, so slightly odd. So we'll be ignoring that one anyway. But had you have traded during the afternoon session yesterday, which I personally didn't, because it was a bank holiday, I know what it's like, and plus the fact I took advantage of the nice weather we've had in the UK, which is a rare event, to be away from the computer. But yesterday you can see there's a trade here at 5 to 4, I think it was, so I mentioned earlier, 5 to 4, and there you see the market going on up to the first psychological level, which was 17,900, and then on up to, say, the high of the day, which was 17,944. Normally I would have thought twice about taking a signal like this, especially after we've already come up 200 points. Prior to this, the market would have been exhausted, but because of that, the background of Europe being closed, America the only market open, it's not unusual for the market to continue on and do this sort of thing. So there's about 80 points maximum yesterday in this trade, and of course this one too close to the close of the session for yesterday as well. So at 10 to 9, too close, and now you can see the market's stuck in this sideways range. Very quiet on the overnight market for the Dow. In the daily chart you can see the big bar up yesterday, no volume or whatsoever. Markets are just marking prices up, no genuine buying, so it will certainly be interesting to see how the market plays out over the next few days. Let's just drop in a few fib lines here. I'm sure we're through the 76% from here to here, but I'll just show you we've traded through, but we haven't closed, so that's interesting. I thought we'd have just been through that one, so we're not quite through this one. And then of course we'll have some resistance here, and then to the recent high down to the recent low as well. So all of these will be resistance areas. I'm just going to remove the 62% ones out of there. I prefer the 76 myself. Let's just get rid of those. So all of these areas here are going to be resistance as the market makes its way back up to the all-time high, if it does do. And I'm just going to draw in this high here as well, because this is where the recent selling came into the market at 18,207. Now you can see where the market dropped sharply, found support at 17,622, and also we've got this new one in now at 17,547 as well. So let's make sure we've got that saved. And in the news today at 3 PM we've got the JOLTS job openings. That's the only thing that will affect the Dow, and that's a medium impact news item as well. That's 3 p.m. And in the implied volatility, 13 at 53 for yesterday, coming down out of the 14% range there. And again, you need really, for a decent correction in the market, you want to see the historical line, which is the blue line below the implied volatility line there. Right, that's it from me. Let's see what the market does following yesterday's closure around the rest of the world, apart from the Dow. We could have a straight reversal off it, but will be interesting to see, and in particular the fact that the market's gone up on fresh air during it yesterday as well. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thanks for watching, and as ever for your support. See you in the next one.